This is the Hmar Mobile Tech channel. My name is David. I am your host and the owner of this channel. And I've been making videos for a couple of years now, and I got over 130 video uploads to this channel. And this is my call to action, more or less a favor. I would really like to ask you, the viewer, you watching this video right now, or any video, and haven't subscribed, I would ask and I would hope that you would subscribe. And if you like what I do, if you like what I'm all about, if you like my videos, whatever, if you just like me, subscribe. So make an account with YouTube, sign in, come to my channel, and click on a video and subscribe. It keeps me motivated to see that I get a higher subscriber count, I get more views, and it makes me want to make more videos around my busy work schedule that I have with auto repair. And I really like doing this, and I want to continue doing it. And the only way that I can see my channel grow is through you, the viewer, doing this for me. To all the people that have subscribed now and in the past, and the people who watch my videos, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Without anything else more to say on this topic, you did a good job. Thank you for watching. Hmar Mobile Tech out.